Welcome back to Green Country Custom Baits. We're going to attempt to do this again. We're zoomed in as far as we can get on the GoPro up above, and we're going to lay out this identical wrap. Hopefully, do a little bit better job on it. Let's get to it. I'm going to try to capture a little bit from this end as well, just so you can see the thread carriage. I've got black started. I've got our bands put in. We're going to put 2 more wraps on that. And that should give us 10. It's a little wider, looks like, than the other side, but we are going to roll with it. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull our white out. And we're going to do a single inlay. This is where I struggled on the last video that didn't record very well. Is we got to come behind the black thread and then trap it. And then we'll pull our gold out. And do another single inlay. And trap it as well. Trying to keep a little bit of tension on that. And then come back with white. And do another single inlay. Now, we got to get it all moved back over, which is where I struggled on the last one. Get it in there, get it in tight. The more you do, the better you get at this stuff. This one's going a little better. I still got my gold over there. That's the dirty side of the rod, so I'm not going to worry about that too much. Got my recipe right here. 1 white, 1 gold, 1 white, 4 black. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to pull our white back out, and we're going to start our Jtob, or also known as an olive branch. So we're going to work that back, and I'm going to go from left to right, just because when I go left to right, my thread's all the way under and it's ready for the next turn, and the black thread traps it. Oop, I want it a little longer. Now that'll be okay. hope the camera's capturing it this time and it started beeping, letting me know. I don't know if I've got bad batteries or a corrupted file, but I removed the battery and we're just going straight power. Okay, so one more, and we're going to trap that back up underneath. So there's our white wrap, and we went left to right on this direction. We'll reverse that on the other side. So we're going to come back and do 2, 1, 2. 2 black. Now we're going to pull our gold out and do 2 gold. Just pull it under the white. One, 2. Post fingernail, pull it up to the white, and trap it. Now with the gold dragon scale on the back side of this, it makes it extremely difficult to see the position of that gold, but it's there. And then we're going to do 2 black on this side of the gold. There's 1. And 2. And then we start back over with our white Jtob, I believe how everybody refers to that, or the olive branch. Reposition that. Okay, we went. So this time we're going to go right to left. We're going to match up. No. We got to go the opposite direction. Okay, so we're going to go under. Pull that thread out. Then match. 1. And again, what are we matching? We're matching the other side of the olive branch. The length that we roll that thread up compared to the length on the other side. And boy, if you pull very much, it'll wad up. Oh, see, just like that. When it snaps too. See, when I come in and I'm wrapping this way and I've got to get my thread back out, the only thing I know to do is go one more time, kind of tight, roll over it. Trap it right there. doesn't complete it. I need a little cleanup work. Suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Okay, so we got our Jtob, we got our white over black, and now we went right to left or left to right, and we're going to come back with 4 black. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So all our threads are secured, and now we're going to come back with white. This is where I like the little hook thing. I'm going to pull that under the gold. Make sure we're right there. And now we're going to do our single inlay bands again. Then gold. And then white. And then pack. Not very good packing from the pushing to the right, left hand. So now we're going to do 10, and then we'll tie it off. I'm going to put a couple more under to anchor that, and we can trim off our excess white and our gold. And what I've been shown is that gold is type A or size A, so it's much smaller. We will kind of flatten those out. So we're on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Got to pull through in. And we're going to do 2 more. And we'll go 3. I like to have it under 3 to 5. I should have done it a little bit sooner. I've still got to work on my consistency on the width. I did better on this one than I did here. So, all right. Loosen off our tension on our thread spool. Holding pressure on the black. Put it through the loop. Got too many fingers in the way. It's like the damn thread's magnetic or something. What the hell? Static. Grab the thread. Keep it tight and get it under. Pull it out. Yeah, man, looks good. Pretty satisfying when you do things one time. And I've done some saw blades and some different things, so I'm not a complete rookie. This is not the very first. It's the very first one I've come up with like this. So cool looking. Just putting a little accent on it, breaking up that. I love the look of that diamond scale, or dragon scale, diamond scale, whatever you want to call it. The last thing we've got to do on this is remember which way you pull things, and then try not to cut your other threads, the key. I got a few burrs left, which we'll just burn them off with a lighter. Well, if you had a lighter that worked. Anyway, not bad, guys. What do you think? Let me get you a zoomed in version here. Oh, yeah. Got the diamond scale or dragon scale, whatever they call it. Got you a Jtob BP. That's a good look. So we're going to do much the same up here on the front. I'll do that on a separate video when we start laying out our decorative inlay. It's going to come out a little bit farther. I'm going to mark this up. Then we'll have our hook keeper. Then we'll have our label with 2 trim bands in front of that. So this is going to be one of my most extensive thread decorations on a rod that I've done to date. So anyway, let me know what you think so far. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Again, leave comments. I'm open for suggestions, and I need a little coaching or a little training, right? See you next week. Green Country Baits and Rods signing out.